The term nomad, I want to propose that there are a bunch of subspecies of nomads out there that are quite different from each other. There's the snowbird nomad that goes up north for the summer and down south for the winter. There's the stay at RV parks nomad that likes full hookups and all of that. There's the BLM nomad that likes to be self-sustained and not have RV hookups. There are nomads who like to travel with other nomads. I almost want to call these more like gypsies. They get together in little caravans and travel around together and have meetings in places and things like that. And then I don't know what category I fall into because I'm a nomad. But I don't like to drive. I'm a nomad that doesn't like to drive. I like staying in one place as long as I can. For instance, here in the Provo area, after about 2 weeks, didn't have to use Google Maps anymore. I knew my way around. And I've pretty much been here for the whole summer. I'm not really interested in going out and seeing things. I've got about 1 million projects to do just by myself with my Tai Chi and exercise, and I'm an inwardly focused nomad rather than an outwardly focused nomad. Does this make any sense to any of you guys out there? Because if it does, please let me know in the comments. If it doesn't, also let me know in the comments. And if you've got other subspecies of nomads that you've run into or are a part of that I've missed, let me know. Because, I'm a nomad that really isn't excited about seeing things. I'm a nomad that's more excited about doing things. I don't like driving a lot because I'm afraid my rig's going to fall apart. So once I get someplace that I like, that I can do my internal things without interruption, then I'm a happy camper. So let me know what you think. And as always, I'll keep posting if you keep watching. Thanks. Bye.